this is how you can use GPT-4o in Perplexity. In case you already have an answer that was generated in Perplexity, you can always switch to GPT-4o if you want to get the other version of the answer. So what you need to do is you have to scroll down and then click rewrite and then click GPT-4o. And after that, Perplexity will redo everything again. It will regenerate the answer, but this time around we'll be using the GPT-4o model, which is probably a little better than some other models like Sonar, and for some people it is probably better than Claude 3.5 Sonnet, but it's really subjective. But anyway, how do you make GPT-4o as the default AI model in Perplexity? So basically, every time you are asking something in this platform, GPT-4o will be used every single time. Well, it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is that you have to navigate to the settings page, click this gear icon, and then go to account, and then you want to scroll down a bit, and then search on the area that says Perplexity Pro, and then you can select the AI model. And I think it is worth mentioning that this is only available if you are subscribing to the Pro version of Perplexity. But anyway, let's switch the model from Sonar to GPT-4o. Let's do that. Now, if I create a new thread in Perplexity, it is by default will be using GPT-4o. So let's try creating a new thread. This time I'm going to ask, let's say, what is the latest scientific news this week? Let's hit enter and just wait until it finishes. By the way, I'm using the Pro version, which basically means it's going to read even more content. And if you're actually interested in the Pro version in Perplexity and you want to get discount, I actually made a video about it and you can check it out in this channel. But anyway, this is the answer that was generated by GPT-4o. I don't have to manually rewrite the content again because it is using GPT-4Omni or GPT-4o. So there you go. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.